Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about rolling. In rolling, the metal workpiece is deformed between which of the following? A. Hammers. B. Dice. C. Punches. D. Rotating rolls. E. Molds. The correct answer is D. Rotating rolls. What is rolling in manufacturing processes? A. A heat treatment process. B. A joining process. C. A metal forming process. A casting process. E. A machining process. The correct answer is C. A metal forming process. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following products is typically produced by rolling? A. Bolts. B. Gears. C. Sheet metal. Pistons. E. Screws. The correct answer is C. Sheet metal. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.